round 2 of Harper Creek Falls. We did this exact same backpacking trip last summer. I planned several others, but I didn't really finish the planning. But we love this one. This one's awesome. Lots of water features, lots of places to stop and play and have fun. So we're excited. TNT Smith's backpacking trip number 2. Booyah! Pretty cool hike. So we do 1.5 miles in with our packs, and then we set up shop, and it's a 10-mile hike without packs tomorrow. That's the game plan, at least. We'll see what tomorrow holds for us.
All right, well, we went the wrong way for a little bit there. So now we're heading back. Trying to figure out where we're supposed to go. A little game of sticks to kill the time while we wait for Dad. Look at these things that are all over the leaves.
Are those alive?
I think they're just growing off of the leaves.
Oh, that's cool.
So we found some heart-shaped leaves.
Oh wait, mostly this one.
That's what I was looking at. Yeah.
This one's like perfect.
Put it on your heart, like where your heart is. Let me see your heart.
No.
We were like 15 yards away from the spot where we started to realize, oh yeah, we know where we are, and knowing that we were on the right track. So probably like a 20-minute ordeal put us behind. Troy got in some extra steps. Troy said at least 20 minutes. Yeah, maybe longer. But at least now we know where we are. We're almost there, on the right track. Yeah, we're almost there. So one of the markers that we knew is there's this spot with a rope that you have to climb down. We just found it.
Orange for chameleon.
There's someone in our spot that we had last time. Now we've got to try and find a different one. Look at the cool mushrooms.
Oh, right here. I was touching them.
Don't pick them on.
Why?
Because they look cool. Let people enjoy them.
I'm not gonna pick off all 200. Watch this satisfying moment. Did you get that on video?
Yes. We found another camping spot that we're gonna settle in. Let's go check it out.
Red.
Ooh, a red one.
And it's like, it has sticky.
I've got your
All right.
in my bag, so
Here's our site. We got lots of open space here.
We have like a snack.
More open space here with a fire pit. And then down here is our water source. All right, we finally got it all set up. There's a little bit of rain starting and definitely some rolling thunder. Here's Caitlin, Carly, and Poppy. There's my tent. Michaela's over there. Troy. Oh, there's that thunder. Oh, poor Poppy's tired already. And Connor's hammock over there. All right. You're okay. All right, it has started raining. You need my water bottle? Is that what you said?
Yeah.
Okay. Poppy's a little scared. She doesn't like thunder. Connor's attempting to find some firewood, and Troy is attempting to make dinner, all in the rain. All right, we are hiding out under the girls' tent under the rain. 'Cause it's
pouring.
Under their rain fly to dish out dinner.
Can you hold this real quick?
Because yes, it's pouring, and
This one.
those of us that have been outside,
Both.
Connor, Troy, and me are soaking wet. All right, here's Connor and Troy eating their mashed potatoes in the rain.
So, I knew it was supposed to rain. I did not realize it was going to pour and dump for, it's been about an hour now, right?
Sure.
And it is not letting up anytime soon. I mean, it is going to rain for perhaps the duration of the evening. So Connor gets the best attitude of the day award because he's being freaking legit, helping to cook all the food, distribute the food to all of the girls who, and I'm not talking trash, but it's just the reality, are being pampered in their tents as we serve them. They were in their tents before it started to rain, and they have not gotten wet at all. And we've been in the rain, making their dinner, getting their water, doing everything for the last hour. And Connor has been a good sport about it. So thank you, Tiffany and Connor, for having good attitudes. Because I'm enjoying it, I'm loving it, but I'm a weirdo. I understand that. It's good memories, and the rain makes everything better. It is a little bit chilly though, but with the jackets, it's aight.
I'm finally in my tent and into dry clothes, which feels so nice. My hair is soaking wet, so I didn't want to get my pillow wet, so I have it wrapped in this towel. I'll show you what it looks like. There's the pillow, a little blow-up pillow. And I'm on a little sleeping pad. Can you see that? It's like, I don't know, 4 inches thick is my best guess. In a one-man backpacking tent. All right, good night. It's now 6:30 in the morning. We went to bed at 9. And it was raining for like, I don't know, maybe 2 hours before we went to bed. Again, I just haven't stopped. I'm really gotta go to the bathroom. Great. Now I'm really stuck in here. Because if you know me, you know that I'm really scared of bees and wasps.
So last night, I got like a 3.5 to 4 hour stretch, which is really good for me for backpacking. But when I woke up, it was a torrential downpour. Tiffany had the GoPro. I'm not sure if she ever turned it on to get any sound or footage, but it was just raining crazy. But anyway, as soon as I saw the light, I figured it was time to get up and make breakfast. So everybody has their oatmeal in their tent, and I'm eating it out here by the fire pit that never got a fire last night because it was way too wet. And Connor is still in his hammock, but I'm gonna take him his oatmeal right now. And we're off to a good start. Yeah!
Did you sleep good in the tent? Huh, puppy girl? Okay, Troy's tent got wet last night. Look at all that water. Can you see that? My tent kept things nice and dry, and you can tell because the ground didn't even get wet. You can see right where my tent was. Caitlin, how many bug bites do you have?
All right.
She said, oh, let me count. 4.
Okay, look at all of Caitlin's bug bites. Dude!
7, 8, 9.
They're insane! Michaela's having fun playing with Poppy. This is Poppy's happy place. She'd live here if we let her. Poppy, you been crazy?
Right there. Give me the camera. Give me the camera. I'll show you it. I found that. I found it. What is it? Should we pick it up?
Looks like a crawfish.
I found it. You're welcome.
I wouldn't pick it up.
Can you help me?
All right, we're on our way to the waterfall. It's so overgrown.
I know. They need to cut it. They need to have workers at each height.
Now to start the treacherous hike down to the waterfalls.
Oh, yeah.
Here goes Carly down the scariest part, I think.
Fail, number one.
One and only, you guys put top spin.
Fail, number two. Grab it by the rope and throw it like a discus. Yeah, there you go. All right, here we go. Walking over, gonna go down the waterfall on the tube, baby. Get some, Tiffany. Oh, I got some video.
Almost set up.
All right, Connor's gonna give him a little push. Yeah! Ooh, Caitlin's going down face first. Let's go! Yeah! Nice! Go! Nice! All right, we're going down face first, selfie style. Let's see how this works. Oh yeah! Oh! Oh, lost my tube. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Come on in, girls.
Last time.
Come on, you got it.
So cold. I'm shivering. Okay, here we go.
Oh, Poppy's ready. Come on, Poppy.
There goes Poppy. Poppy's ready.
Poppy followed you.
I know.
We're so lucky. We were forcing her to go. It's cute.
Nicely done, Connor. Last but not least, Troy boy. All right, my arm got caught in the rope when I came. Oh, I got the hiccups when I came down the waterfall that last time, and look what it did to my arm.
Flex.
Oh yeah, it hurts. And I got the hiccups.
Block City.
Here we come.
Yeah.
10th time up for this tree.
Yeah. Skeet 'em. Skeety. Maskabadabanda. Caitlin's got a cherry centipede.
Ew, it pooped on you. Ew! It's on this finger. Are you?
No, wipe it on a leaf or something.
All right, final stretch. We're on our way out. What'd you guys think? Was it awesome?
That rain was horrible.
Yeah, that's fair. The rain was pretty crazy. Another successful trip.
Puppy, was that a good trip? Was that a good trip?